Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to rotate PDF documents, either one PDF file or multiple PDF documents at the same time. This is going to be using a very free platform called I Love PDF. Okay, so to access I Love PDF, all you need is to open anywhere within your browser and just come to the search bar and just type ilovepdf.com. Just hit on enter. You brought in over to this very platform. Now, as you can see, there are different features, different things that you can do with I Love PDF. But my target for today is to show you how to rotate. Okay, rotate PDF. Rotate your PDFs the way you need them. You can even rotate multiple PDFs at once. So let's click on this and let's select the document that you want to rotate. Could be, you can select directly from your system, or you can drag and drop that document. Or alternatively, you can import the document from Google Drive or from Dropbox. For this example, we're going to import from our system. So let's click and then we can import the document directly. So let's use this one. You can just select and bring it. So this is a document and you can rotate right, left, however you want it. So let's rotate right. You can see the sample from here. You can rotate left if you want, or however you want it, you can do that. So you can reset all also at any given point. The rotation, let's say we rotate right, something like this. And once you're done, this is what you want. You can just go ahead and click on rotate PDF. So you can see it has been rotated and you download it directly very easily. You can click and you can double click and you see that your PDF has been rotated. Okay, so this concludes this tutorial about how to rotate a PDF file using a very free tool called I Love PDF. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add page numbers to your PDF documents. So by default, you should have page numbers within your PDF documents, but in cases if you don't have your page numbers and you're interested in adding them using a free tool, I have one that can do the wonders for you, and this is called I Love PDF. So to access I Love PDF, all you need is to come within your browser to the search bar and just type in I Love PDF, just like so, and hit on enter. You're brought in over to this very platform. Now, there are a series of features you can use within I Love PDF, but for our target today is the page numbers. You can add page numbers into PDFs with it. Choose your positions, dimensions, and typography. So you can click on this, and then we can select the document that we want to add the page numbers to. Mind you, you can select from the system, or you can drag and drop directly, or alternatively from any of these platforms, either Google Drive or Dropbox. So for this example, we are going to go within my system. I just click and then let's select anyone, something like this. You can select this and click on open. So you can see right now, all the default one is going to be at the bottom right over here. Okay, you can see with this red dot, it's going to be at the bottom right. But is this the only position you want? You can check the document from here. You can delete the document if you're interested. You can add more documents if you are more files if you're interested to add more files. All right, so let's say I have these files. So I want to add the page numbers. You can come over here. The first one is the page mode. Is it a single page or a facing page? For this time around, it's going to be a single page. Okay. And the position, how do you want it? This is the bottom right. If you want it at the center, or if you want it located here, which is the center or the top center, you can put it like that, or the top left or top right, you can put it accordingly. But for this tutorial, I'm going to go with the bottom center, okay, or bottom left, okay, preferably. Now the margin is recommended to be small or big, so let's make it big margin a bit, and so we can have a clear position for our numbering. Now down here, you have the first number. Should it be 1 or 2 or 3? You can define from here accordingly. Which page do you want to number? Which pages do you want to number? You can give all the pages from the beginning, or start at page this, or exclude the first page, or exclude the first 2 pages. You can be as specific as you want from here. all pages to the end. So this is our selection. Okay, or end at page this, or before, exclude the last page, or exclude this. You can be as specific as you want. Now down here you have the text. Insert only page numbers recommended. You can have page n and page n of n. For example, you can have page 2. This is the formatting of the page appearance. You can have page 1, page 2, page 3, or you can customize to however you want. Page 1 of n, or 1 of 10, or thereabout. And you can customize the size of the number. Okay, the default is 14. You can bold, you can italize, you can underline, you can even change the coloration of the page numbering that you want to add. So let's go with blue and with 14 and all of these the text font style. Let's go with the default, and once you click on add page numbers, you can see the page has the PDF has page numbers now. All right, so you can go ahead and download it, and you can see right now it's been downloaded. So you can click to open, and you can see our page number had been added within our PDF document. This concludes this tutorial about how to add page numbers to your PDF document. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.